Welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the exciting new smartphone from HONOR, the HONOR X9a. Packed with impressive features and powerful specifications, this device is definitely worth your attention. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about the camera setup on the HONOR X9a. It boasts a triple camera system, featuring a 64-megapixel primary camera, accompanied by a 5-megapixel depth sensor and a 2-megapixel macro lens. With this setup, you can capture stunning and detailed photos with ease. And for all the selfie enthusiasts out there, the HONOR X9a offers a 16-megapixel front camera, ensuring you always look your best. To enhance your photography experience, HONOR has also included an LED flash to help you capture amazing shots even in low-light conditions. Plus, the device supports video recording at 1080p and 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture your favorite moments with excellent clarity. Now, let's move on to the display. The HONOR X9a features a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display, which means you can expect vibrant colors and deep blacks for an immersive viewing experience. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 20:9 aspect ratio, everything on the screen looks sharp and detailed. And the best part? The display supports a refresh rate of 120 Hz, offering smooth and fluid scrolling and animations. Turning our attention to the design, the HONOR X9a is a sleek and slim device, measuring just 7.9mm in thickness. It's also relatively lightweight, weighing in at 175 grams, making it comfortable to hold and carry around. The phone is available in 3 attractive colors: titanium silver, emerald green, and midnight black, allowing you to choose the one that suits your style. Moving on to battery life, the HONOR X9a is equipped with a powerful 5100 mAh battery. This generous capacity ensures that your device will last throughout the day, even with heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, you'll be pleased to know that the phone supports 40W wired charging, so you can quickly get back to full power in no time. The device also features a USB Type-C 2.0 port and supports OTG functionality, making it convenient for transferring files or connecting external devices. Now, let's talk about the sensors on the HONOR X9a. The device includes an under-display optical fingerprint sensor, ensuring quick and secure access to your phone. Additionally, it features an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, and compass, providing a wide range of functionality and enhancing your overall user experience. And that brings us to the end of our overview of the HONOR X9a. With its impressive camera setup, stunning display, powerful battery, and advanced sensors, this smartphone has a lot to offer. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a multimedia lover, or someone who values convenience and performance, the HONOR X9a is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in the next video.